Well, this is the second video on my playlist on how to become a virtual assistant or a freelancer. Well, may mga bagay talaga na kailangan natin i-prepare bago tayo sumabak sa gera. So, for this video, you will know what are the things that you needed to prepare para maging virtual assistant ka. So, watch this. So, what are the things that you need for you to get started? Basically, number one is, of course, to identify your skills. Well, if you're someone who loves talking to people, magaling mag-communicate, or someone na magaling sa computer, or sumulat, or if you're someone na magaling mag-edit ng photo, mag-edit ng video, or graphic artist ka ba, you need to identify your skills. Well, of course, if you have the skill, like number one, IT skill, it's not necessarily na expert ka with the IT skills that you have, but it's very important na at least may knowledge ka on how to work on computer. You maybe know how to use some Google apps, you know how to use Microsoft Word, Excel, gumawa ng presentations, mag-check ng emails, yung basic lang. Well, usually, yun naman talaga yung task ng mga virtual assistant. So, dapat alam mo din yung paano gawin yung mga ganun bagay. And of course, communication skill is also very important for you to work as a virtual assistant. You will work with foreign clients, so it's basically you need to know how to speak English. If you love talking to people, you're confident enough to talk with your clients. It's not necessarily now with accent ka, pero of course, kung kailangan mo mag-communicate sa clients mo or sa other people or sa customers nila, alam mo. It's not only verbal, but of course, it's very important that you also know how to communicate in written form. Kasi minsan, uutusan ka din naman ni client na mag-send ng email or mag-fill up ng contract, gumawa ng contracts. Minsan pasusulatan ka pa ng blog or magka-caption sa social media. So it's very important that you also have written and verbal communication skill. Another essential skill that you should have is, of course, time management skills. If you're someone who wants to work with multiple clients, time management is the key. Especially for your clients mo, they're very particular with the time, very particular to meet the deadline, very particular na proactive ka when it comes to your job na kaya mong tapusin ahead of time. Time is very essential for them. So if you're someone who is very good in time management, you can be the best virtual assistant ever. Well, after identifying your skills, that's the time that you can decide what are the services that you will offer to your client. You can do data entry, take calls, transcribe, provide admin support, provide graphic design, or maybe manage social media. Then after that, you can obtain your necessary equipment. You need to have your laptop or computer. You need to make sure or determine if you want to have a laptop based on your budget. Of course, consider the build and the quality. It also depends on what type of services you're offering. Mas better yung laptop mo, mas better makakahanap ka ng trabaho. You also need to invest in a good noise-canceling headset. Yung comfortable ka wearing it for a long period of time, or maybe comfortable for listening sessions with great sound quality, and of course, dapat clean and clear yung sound and adjustable. It's very important kasi maraming aso at manok sa paligid, lalo na sa Pilipinas, naririnig ni client. And of course, kailangan mo din na may mabilis na internet connection. At kailangan din na may backup ka. Maybe around 15 Mbps to 50 Mbps is more than enough if you are working in a job with not too much bandwidth. It's also very important that you have your backup power. May power bank ka or mga generator, it's very necessary. Especially dun sa mga lugar na madaling mag-brand out, it's very important. And of course, think of durability and capacity. If you're ready na ma-equipment ka na alam mo na yung skill mo, build your portfolio. Well, I have another video tutorial on how to create a portfolio where you can showcase all your sample works, what are your actual client results, your past work experiences, your services, na pwede mong i-market yung self mo. Well, dapat when you market yourself, dapat presentable din yung resume mo, maganda yung portfolio mo, even if wala kang experience, confident ka na kaya mong gawin yung pinapagawa ni client. Well, sa simula, mahihirapan ka kung anong niche yung pipiliin mo, pero you always need to consider specializing. Kung magaling ka sa calls, specialize on inbound and outbound calling. If magaling ka gumawa ng content, well, of course, you can definitely specialize in social media management. Well, I have some self-help videos on my TikTok on how to market yourself, so you better watch those videos.
At syempre naman, kung gusto mong sumali sa FB group namin, meron kaming Aspiring Freelancers Hub PH. You can join anytime para always updated ka. On my next video, I'm gonna be sharing with you on what's the easy way to create a resume using Canva. It's a step-by-step process na super madali lang at kaya mong gawin.
If nagustuhan niyo yung mga videos na to at may mga tanong pa kayo, pwede kayong mag-comment down below. And pwede din yung notification bell para always updated ka. If you have some questions for me, of course, you can reach out sa aking mga social media accounts. It's Hey Miss Shai on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. And of course, sa TikTok ko, may mga series of videos din ako na pwede mong matutunan. Mga websites na pwede mong pag-applyan, mga tips and tips, na mga short form videos lang na sure ako na pwede mong matutunan lahat. So again, it's me, Shai, not just your ordinary business ally. Follow me for more. Bye!